In a dynamic home textile and garment manufacturing sector, optimizing productivity and lowering the cost are vital for staying competitive. At Madasky Consulting, we specialize in transforming manufacturing operations through systematic and digital solutions. Madasky Consulting is dedicated to helping large manufacturing companies achieve their productivity goals. Our team of experts bring years of experience and a proven track record in the industry. We begin with identifying the main productivity, cost, resource utilization challenges within the organization. This includes analyzing workflow inefficiencies, pinpointing bottlenecks, and assessing non-productive areas. The results speak for themselves. With our expert guidance, companies can achieve massive improvement in productivity, cost saving, and resource utilization, ranging from 30 to 50% over a year. Let us help you overcome your productivity challenges and achieve extraordinary results. Contact us today for consultation and take the first steps towards the more efficient future.